You're not lazy, but your body is just taking longer to recover than it used to. Have you noticed this lately? You get less sleep than usual and it ruins your whole next day. A small workout leaves you sore for days. A cold that used to pass in 2 days now hangs around all week. Most Americans chalk this up to age. I'm just getting older. But that explanation is incomplete. What's really happening is not just aging, it's slower cellular recovery. Your body is constantly repairing itself. Muscles, nerves, immune cells, even your brain. In your 20s and early 30s, this repair system runs fast and efficiently. After your mid-30s, something changes. Recovery depends on 3 things most people never think about: oxygen delivery, mineral balance, and inflammation control. As these quietly decline, recovery slows. Let's start with oxygen. Even if your lungs are healthy, poor circulation can reduce how much oxygen actually reaches your tissues. Less oxygen means slower repair. Your body can still function, but it heals at half speed. Next is minerals. Magnesium, potassium, sodium, and trace minerals are required for muscle repair, nerve reset, and energy production. Many Americans are technically within range on blood tests, but still depleted at the cellular level. That's why rest doesn't feel restorative anymore. Then there's inflammation, not the obvious kind. Low-grade, daily inflammation caused by stress, processed foods, poor sleep, and dehydration. This inflammation keeps your body stuck in a constant alert state. When your system is busy fighting invisible stress, it has less energy left for repair, so recovery slows. This is why you feel tired longer after busy days. Minor injuries linger. Illness hits harder. Brain fog lasts longer than it used to. It's not weakness, it's resource management. Your body isn't broken, it's prioritizing survival over optimization. The good news? This process is modifiable, supporting circulation, mineral balance, hydration quality, sleep rhythm, and inflammation control can dramatically improve recovery speed even after 40 or 50. People are often shocked when small adjustments restore energy they thought was gone forever. If your body feels slower than your calendar says it should, don't ignore it. Slower recovery is one of the earliest internal aging signals, and the earlier you address it, the easier it is to reverse. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.